In this video we will see how simple it is to create a quotation in simpliRP. Please go to Inquiry Management. Go to Enter Customer Quotation. The quotation number will automatically appear. Please note, there is a help link on the right side. You can click and view if required. Select the quotation date. Type the customer name and, after selecting the name from list, ID will appear. Ship to ID can also be changed. Please enter kind attention, to whom this quotation is sent. Also enter the subject of quotation and payment terms. Quotation valid up to date is mandatory. You can change the date as per your terms. After giving all other details like freight, transportation, insurance, delivery terms, special remarks. If required, you can enter customer enquiry number. Click Save. simpliRP will guide you to items entry page. Please select the item for which you are sending quotation. Enter item descriptions if any. Please enter additional notes or warranty descriptions, if any. Delivery terms for this item can be entered. Prices will appear automatically from price list. If not there, you can enter manually here. Enter the discount and quantity. You can see the taxes are automatically calculated to minimize human error. Click Save. In this example, we will enter another item to show how multiple items are entered in one quotation. Click Confirm and print the quotation. You can see the quotation is printed in a professional format. Please contact us for any customization requirement. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.